Hey there, welcome to the tips and tricks section for Apple Tree. Now, with Apple Tree, you can play the basic version, but once your kids get really good at it, it's nice to give them a little challenge. One thing you can do is have them hum the song instead of singing the words. Just kind of gives it a different texture. Another thing my kids work on is audiating, so the kids are hearing the song inside their head without actually hearing it with their ears. So it's a really fun challenge to have the kids travel through the game and figure out when the trees are actually going to be coming down with their branches because the song is all in their head. And if you do it with audiating with your kids, it is helpful to keep a steady beat out loud for them, especially for the younger ones, so that they can really hear the song inside their head. I use this song a lot to teach for the solfege la, and then especially when my first graders are ready to learn do. The knock me out. It's fun to play the game, and the kids actually drop to the ground on out, and then we talk about, how does that relate to the solfege we learned? Okay, we're going lower, oh, we're going to do, our bodies drop down. So it's kind of a fun little challenge to figure out, when does the do happen in the song? How does it relate to their body movement? I hope these tips and tricks have been helpful for helping differentiate your song for Apple Tree. If you have any questions, please comment below, or if you have any other variations to the game, please share them with me. Otherwise, as always, check out the videos somewhere around here for accompaniments for the song, tutorials for ukulele, guitar, and anything else like that. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.